Alright guys, so what if there was a free website that would let you sell anything you want online? There's no technical skills, no special equipment or long trainings, so all you really need to get started is a smartphone or a computer. If that sounds good to you guys, today I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly strategy to make money downloading PDF ebooks and posting them on a brand new website that's going to let you sell them for any price that you want, making it so much easier for you guys to make an extra $50 to over $200 per day just selling digital products. Ready to get started? Then first, you're going to go to Google and search for a website called ChatGPT. Now I know you guys heard of this website, and like I mentioned earlier, before this website was around, you would have to go to Google, spend hours doing research, going through articles just to find good quality content and things that you can actually start making money from. So instead of going through all that, just go to ChatGPT, create a free account, and first we're going to ask it to come up with ideas for us. So we're going to be selling PDF ebooks, right? But what are the exact books people are buying online? So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. All I typed is create a list of topics people buy books about, and check it out guys, fiction, non-fiction, educational. So first you guys are going to ask ChatGPT to create a list of books that people are actually buying online, people actually spend money on, then go through the list and pick a topic you want to start writing about. Now don't worry, we're going to be using AI to help us create this entire project, so you guys can almost pick any topic that you want. And I will be honest guys, some do sell better than others, right? Not everything's going to be profitable or be a hit, right? So if you see a topic that doesn't really stand out to you, make sure you skip it and pick something you're actually interested in. So you guys already know, especially if you've been following my channel, Pets and Animals for this example, all you guys want to do is pick any topic you want to get started with. And alright guys, for step number 2, we're back at ChatGPT, but this time we're going to ask it to come up with book ideas around your topic. So I ended up going with pets, dogs, right? So all I'm going to do is type in create a list of book ideas around the dog training niche. Any subtopic you want to go with, just type it in inside of here and click on go. And of course guys, check it out, ChatGPT is going to get to work and come up with brand new book ideas that you can start writing about. So instead of guessing what type of book you should write or what you should be selling online, ChatGPT is going to do its research and come up with ideas that people are actually buying. So go ahead and have it come up with a list like this for you guys. Then after that, go through the list and pick a topic you want to start writing about, something that actually sounds interesting, that can actually help people with a problem or their pet. So let's see, I'm going to go with, ooh, this first one sounds really good. Puppy Premier, essential training for the first year. So there's a lot of people out there just getting their first puppy, their first pet for the first time, and they obviously need knowledge of what to do, how they should treat their puppies. So this would be a really good example right here. A comprehensive guide for new puppy owners covering house training, basic commands, socializing, dealing with common behavioral issues, which can definitely help guys, again, people that are just getting their first pet. So I'm going to go with this example, Puppy Premier. And for the next step guys, you're going to have ChatGPT write a book outline. Now don't worry, we're not going to only use ChatGPT. It doesn't actually do a good job of writing stuff. It does a good job of coming up with ideas. For some reason, whenever I ask it to create content, it doesn't really do a good job. So we're only going to use ChatGPT to help us come up with ideas. So have it write a book outline for you by simply typing this in. Write a full book outline for number 1 or number 20, number 19, whichever idea you want to go with. Just ask ChatGPT to write a full outline around that number, and check it out guys. Here it goes, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, number 3, all the way to the very end. Now like I just mentioned guys, I usually don't have ChatGPT actually write the content. So for the next step, you're going to copy the outline and go to software number 2. Alright guys, for this next step, we're going to use an AI software called Gemini. This is the one that's actually from Google themselves, and I found it to do a lot better job when it actually comes to writing articles and writing books. So just search it up on Google, create a free account if you don't have one, and once you're inside, you're going to paste your outline in inside of here. But first, at the very top, type this in. Write a full book using this book outline, basically letting it know what to do next, right? So go ahead and type that in, click on go, and that's it guys. It's going to start writing a full outline, chapter 3, chapter 2, chapter 1, everything your book needs, so you can start selling it online. And alright guys, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see these 3 dots pop up where all you have to do is copy your book and go to step number 4. So for this next step, you're going to use a website that's going to let you create a free eye-catching ebook. The name of this website's called visame.co, so just search it up on Google and check it out guys. They're going to have a ton of templates you can pick from, a ton of features you can start using to create an ebook online and start making money from it. So go over to visame.co and sign up for a free account, and once you're inside, just click on documents at the very top, then scroll down and click on ebooks. So check it out, you're going to see all of these templates pop up that you can pick from. If you see a template that matches your topic, just click on it, or check this out, they have a brand new AI software that can help you create a personalized template. So I'm going to click on this one, and inside of this box you're going to ask it to create the exact template you want. So I want it around dog training, right? Just type that in inside of here and click on go, and check it out guys, it's actually asking for my outline to do a better design with the template. So just type your outline at the very bottom, click on go, and next choose a style on the right hand side. So let's see, for dog training I'm going to go with this one, looks pretty cool. And that's it guys, check it out, it's going to create a full ebook outline for you where all you would literally have to do next is start copying and pasting your paragraphs, your trainings, and it looks like it actually did a lot of the work for me. So I really wasn't expecting this guys, I was just going to show you this offhand, but check it out guys, this is going to save you so much time and energy by putting everything in place for you. Now still, you do have to go through it, maybe change out some of the images if they don't make sense without text, or if you want something moved around, I would definitely recommend you guys to customize your book just so AI didn't do all the work, right? You guys want to give it your own touch, make this original, make this actually yours, and only use AI to help you put the project together. And check it out guys, you can see right away I would have to change the cover image. My book is about puppies, and that's not a puppy, right? So next, at the very bottom, click on edit this design, and inside of here guys is where you can start customizing your book. So check it out, on the right hand side, you're going to see all your pages. So whatever page you want to work on, just click on it. Then you can click on the text on the screen, click on the images to start changing anything around. So first, I'm obviously going to change the cover image to a nice puppy. And like I showed you guys before, you can use pixels.com to find stock images you can use for your book. So go ahead and create a completely customized book using this website called Visame. And once you're happy with your edit, just click on download at the very top, then click on PDF on the right hand side, or excuse me, left hand side, and finally click on download. And alright guys, next I'm going to show you a website that's going to let you post your book for free and start selling it online. But first step, you're going to go to Google and search for a website called payhip.com. Once you see it pop up, all you have to do is click on it, then click on get started for free. And check it out guys, you can see what it's about at the very bottom right here. Basically an online store builder. So people that want to start selling designs, people that have products that they make and they want to sell online, this website's going to make it so much easier for them. And real quick guys, if you click on pricing at the very top, check this out. It's going to be free forever. The only thing they're going to take is a 5% transaction fee, but you're getting access to all their features, all their products, and of course unlimited revenue. So everything you get with a pro account, only with a small transactional fee. So not too bad guys, right? So go over to their website and click on sign up for free. And alright guys, once you're inside your account, the first thing you're going to do is set up a name for your store. So it can be around ebooks, dog training, whatever your topic is about. Go ahead and set up a name. I already completed that step. Then you're going to scroll down and click on add first product. So you're going to upload the book you just created, click on add product, then click on digital product. So check this out guys, the cool part about this website is it lets you sell bundles, coaching services, memberships, so many different things you can start selling on here. But today we're going to focus on digital products, an ebook, a software, anything online. So go ahead and click on this one. And inside of here guys, you're going to fill out some basic information to create your listing. So for example, the title of your book, how much you want to sell it for, its cover image, and what it's about. So go ahead and fill out all this information, and once you're done, alright guys, so check it out. The first thing you're going to do is upload your PDF ebook. Now before I continue guys, I do want to give you a big disclaimer on this website, Visame. You can create an ebook for free, but if you want to download it as a PDF, you will have to upgrade to a starter package. Now it's really not that expensive guys, and if you only pay for 1 month, you can download as many books as you want and start posting them on this website to continue to make sales from them even after the month is over. So after you pay for it just one time, you guys can continue to sell this book next month, the month after that, next year. So this is a really great tool guys if you want to set yourself up with digital products and only pay one single time. So I'm going to leave a discount down below for you guys if you want to check it out, because I do want to help you guys save some money. But if you're not able to get this right now, you can use this website called canva.com. So I've shown you guys this website in the past. It's basically a graphic design website, but you will have to do everything from scratch. So you can come over to Canva, create the entire book from scratch, then again just come over to Payhip and upload your PDF ebook. After that, scroll down to the bottom, add the name of your book, add the price of your book, and you only want it at around $10 guys. This is a brand new book to the market, right? It doesn't have a lot of credit. You're not a big name author, right? So you just want to set this up for a starting price of around $10, then upload a cover image of the book, and at the very bottom you want to create a description for it. Now of course guys, you can use AI for this, so just have it create a description of what your book is about, then paste it in inside the bottom, and finally you just want to make sure it's visible so people can actually see the product, people can actually buy it. So just click on add product at the very bottom, and that's basically it guys. You're all done. You're gonna see the link to your brand new product pop up. So if you copy this link and paste it on an open page, check it out. You're gonna see your brand new book with a description of what it's about. Now the only last thing you guys have to do, and I don't want to walk you through this extra step, all you have to do is connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account to start receiving payments. So go ahead and connect your accounts, and finally to start making sales, you're gonna copy your link and paste it on Pinterest.com to start getting traffic. So check this out guys, whenever you make a post on Pinterest, not only are you making the video, the description, you can also leave a link inside of your post to start getting people back to your website. So just go over to Pinterest and you're gonna create a page around your products, around your topic. Mine is around dogs, right? So I already set my page up, and check this out. Here's a video that I had just posted a week ago, and I'm already getting impressions, already getting clicks, and all I did guys is use a free AI website to create this video.